Hello and welcome back to Simply Nihongo. This is continuing the introduction to Hiragana, where we go over the other characters. In the last video we covered the main 46. Now let's look at what happens when we play with those characters. For the K, S, T, and H sounds, we can add marks to change the sounds. These are called dakten and handakten, and in general, the K becomes a G, S becomes a Z, T becomes a D, and H can change to a B or a P. Here is the chart. Now let's get started. Ga, which is also a common particle. Gi, gu, ge, go, za, ji. So this serves as the base for almost all J sounds. Zu, ze, zo. You may see this sometimes as an ending particle. Da, this one you will often see as a particle towards the end of sentences. This is also pronounced as G, but if you want to type it, you want to use a D instead. It's not as common as the other one. Zu, this is also a zu, but if you type it, you would want to use a DU. Again, not as common as the other one, but there are some words that use it. De, do, ba. This one you'll see as a particle, especially for cases where it means if. Bi, bu, be, bo. And then we get pa. Now we add this little motto here. Pi, pu, pe, po. Now we can also combine all those E sounds with the Y sounds, the ya, you, and yo. Note that when we write in Romaji, some systems will write it as like using the Y instead. But I like to write it closer to how they actually sound. So, well, that's how you'll see it in this video. Here is the chart. Now let's get started. Kya, kyu, kyo. So you see how the Y sound ones, they are a little bit smaller. Normally they take like half of the space of the full-sized ones. And combining with the E sounds is how you get this sound. Sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, nya, nyu, nyo, ya, ryu, yo, gya, gyu, gyo, ja. This one you'll hear a lot, as is the informal way of saying dewa, as in like dewa arimasen. So you'll hear like, to make it like super informal, it would be like ja nai. And I think it is basically because like if you try saying dewa faster, then it kind of comes up as ja, because we don't have a dwa sound. So ja is pretty close. Ju, jo, bya, byu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo. Alright, and that's it for this video. If you want to go further, please check out the quiz shorts and check out the playlist for more characters. And please share and subscribe. That will help this channel grow so that I can produce more videos. And if you like this, yeah, please like and share. thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.